modern India. And in modern India, if we'll see first how do the Portuguese came, and during the Portuguese Empire when it came, what are the important things regarding it? And then after the Dutch came, and after the Dutch there is a coming of English, and when the English, thereafter French. So we'll see first modern Indian history in the form of how do the different travelers come to India, and why do they come to India? They came to India, this कौन पहले आया? Yes, tell me. उसके बाद A, B, C, D. क्या आपने बोला? C हटा दो, उसके बाद क्या बचा? D, E, F. What I said? A, B, C तो हटा दिया, C से हटाने के बाद क्या बचा? D, E, F. Dutch, English and French. So first who came? Portuguese. Thereafter who came? Dutch. Thereafter who came? English. Then French. Understood? I said they came for the important three things in India, for the important three things. And these three things are, I said that G letter is very important for three things. And it is first I said that they come for gold. They come for gold means money. They come for glory. They come for glory. Become more victorious, more powerful in the world. And they come for another, I said that G for God. Two, I said that Catholic, Christianity, they are pro-Christianity, then what is a spread in the world. These are the three things that British, that the Europeans, I said that came to India and in the other parts of the world. Which are the three things I said that? Yes, gold, glory, God. Gold, glory and God. And then when they come for, I said that gold for the trading aspect, slowly and slowly they found that, okay, they becoming powerful in the 1750, the European countries, after the Industrial Revolution, they started becoming powerful. And when they started becoming powerful, then they thought, okay, we have to glorify, and then India ko dheere dheere un logon ne kya karne lage? I said that they started making the India as an what? Their colony. India, they started making India as their colony. Thereafter, to have the people to belongs to them and they are caring for them, then they started what is an increasing their what is an own religion, that is in the form of Christianity, through the Christian missionaries. And you know that in India the Christian missionaries come from the what is an 1813 Charter Act onwards. 1813 Charter Act onwards. Because of that, there the traders started coming to India. The individual traders started coming to India, and at the same time missionaries also started coming to India. And you know that in the initial period our India thought that okay, they brought English, they started through their Christianity teaching us some morals and all. We are uneducated, and our educated people, educated Indian people also started supporting the Britishers. You know that Raja Ram Mohan Rai and all. Then after the 1813 Charter Act, there is a coming of socio-religious reform in India. Yes. And we started hitting our own tradition. Yes, our traditions are to some extent, it is not okay, highly orthodox. And then the women are in the society very down. This is the most important thing. And on the basis of religion, that the people are what is doing several things which is unsocial, which is so therefore I said that our educated class people started supporting Britishers, and they are supporting even till 1857 revolution. But after 1857 revolution, then they started realizing their thought is not their reforms of India, but their thought is something different. Then our educated class started coming in the form of, I said that against, and you know that thereafter series of some smaller movements started. So they came for India, there is some reason behind it, and then it takes some time for us to understand. And when we understand, then we started what is in our some small portion of what is in a national movement. So many things are there, but I can't go into the deeper part of it क्योंकि मुझे 3 aspects में खत्म करना है. तो what are the 3 things the Europeans come to India and other parts of the world? Gold, glory and God. थोड़ा बहुत आप इसमें हम देखेंगे. There is an you know that Portuguese, English, French, and then several people they started giving they started growing, and then थोड़ा अपना trade को increase करने के लिए, for increasing their trade they started sending their lots of money, they started investing on the traders, and the traders started moving in the world. Traders started what? Moving in the world, finding the new reasons where they can do the trade, and then वो trade करते हुए finally they come to East India. ईस्ट इंडीज, आई सेड दैट, इसलिए जो ईस्ट इंडिया में आए और इंडिया इज इन द ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर, जब वो इंडिया को जब खोजते खोजते पहुंच गए, आई सेड दैट मैक्सिको साइड, एंड दे फाउंड इट इज इन दिस पीपल इट इज नॉन एज इन वेस्ट इंडीज, देन लिव दे कम टू द साउथ ईस्ट एशिया, दे सेड इट इज इन ईस्ट इंडीज. So here and there they are in the search of India, and then finally they come to India, and then which are the purpose for that? You know that 14th century to 17th century, especially in the 16th century, found that there is a renaissance. Renaissance means, I said, there is a complete revival in the form of what is in a political thought, religious thought, social thought, economic thought, political thought. Revival in what I said that, especially लोग जो कहा जाता है, it is in a religious thought. Revival in what I said that, religious thought, but at the same time there is a revival in political thought, there is a revival in economic thought, revival in social thought, revival in political thought. और यही रिनेसेंस है जिसने हमें न्यू वर्ल्ड दिया. दैट हैज गिवन अस अ न्यू वर्ल्ड, न्यू ट्रेड इन द वर्ल्ड, और इसी के बाद वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री स्टार्ट हुआ था. आप यदि वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री भी पढ़ोगे, देन योर वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री विल स्टार्ट आफ्टर द रिनेसेंस पीरियड. Understood the world history, and उसके बाद there is an, you know that earlier we have an old world and now we have a new world. Yes, earlier our constitution was developed based on, I said that, religious based constitution, and now we have what is in a secular and man-made what is in a constitution. Understood? So several things there is in an old world. Renaissance is in a division part of what is in a separation part of it, is in a war between new world and old world. So that they have invested this people for the trade. They have the kings of the each state of the European country. They started what is investing lots of money for the travelers to find out the new areas of their trade. And इस तरीके से we have seen the several regions of the world, and the several geographers try to find out what new regions. And then हम लोगों ने, I said that as a result of exploration, European nations grew powerful and spread their influence throughout the world. और उनका ट्रेड बढ़ गया, उनके पास money, economically they started becoming more powerful. That it is over here. And why did Europeans want to explore? You know that they have a large amount of what is enough? They want trade. Renaissance increased curiosity and desire for the trade. Renaissance ने बदलाव ने क्या किया? More production ने क्या किया? आपको ट्रेड को बढ़ावा दिया. ट्रेड ने क्या किया? More exploration in the world. And इसके वजह से we are here. And then गोल्ड में देखेंगे, desire for new sources of wealth was the main reason for European exploration. New sources of wealth as a main reason. यदि ग्लोरी हम लोग देखेंगे, what is the, I said that desire for new sources of wealth was the main reason. इन द यूरोप कंट्रीज में ऑलरेडी देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, मिनरल रिसोर्स, हियर एंड देयर दे स्टार्टेड ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट द न्यू रिसोर्सेज, न्यू, I said that economic power. They want to become new and different kind of economic power. लोग खोज में आने लगे कि they started finding out the Portuguese gum, Dutch का main purpose था क्या? What is the main purpose of the Dutch? To what is the, they are trading only for the what? Coming to find out spices. What is there? Peppers, spices. And इसके लिए वो आया था. और इंडिया में भी he is not too much interested. Spices के लिए नहीं famous था. Indonesia. And then I said that Malaysia nearby this region is very famous for spices. But they utilizes India. Why they utilizes? They started, these people need, Indonesian people need cotton and they need what is spices. That they started taking cotton from India and selling them and then taking spices and then going back all the wealth from here. I said that that is also one of the way जो उनके पास spices they are able to purchase from them. So I said several things that you can be able to feel. Then I said that Renaissance inspired new possibility of power and prestige. King who sponsored the different exploration gained overseas colony, new sources of wealth for nation and increased power. अब ग्लोरी किसका हो रहा है? द नेशन, दैट नेशन, द किंग हु इज ओवर देयर, दे वांट टू बिकम व्हाट इज ग्लोरीफाइड इन द वर्ल्ड, मोर पावरफुल, नॉट ओनली वेल्थ वाइज, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पावर वाइज, द इकोनॉमिक पावर दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो जैसे जैसे एक्सप्लोरेशन यूरोपियन प्रेजेंटेड द यूरोपियन द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू राइज फ्रॉम द पॉवर्टी एंड गेन फेम, फॉर्चून एंड स्टेटस. पहले की सोसाइटी डिफरेंट सोसाइटी थी जहां पर रोड भी नहीं था, देयर वाज नो रोड. Road construction started after the 1750, what is industrial revolution. By the 1800 there is a road construction, power loom, several things started coming due to the technological upliftment. लेकिन their main motto is that what is slowly and slowly, इसके वजह से they have become they become fame, their fortune become very smart and then their status become high. And you know that the British कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गया? It is in a glory. French कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच गया? It is in a glory. Spain, several countries, they started becoming very high. So what is the purpose? I said that gold, glory. And thereafter I said that Christianity, that is God. European Christian, especially Catholics, wants to stop the spread of Islam and convert all the people into what is Christians. Understood? So the Islam के spread को क्योंकि whole Eastern Europe is under the what? Eastern Europe is under the what? Islam. Ottoman Empire, that is Turkey, जो Turkey that Asia Minor है, this is इसके under में था Eastern Europe. I said that. So therefore they want to, what is they increase their Christianity in the world, not where there is an Islam, everywhere. In the initial stage it is against the spread of Islam. But over the period, everywhere they started increasing. So you have got an idea. So navigation comes, and navigation maybe if I talk about उन्होंने they have a good idea about, I said that telescopes, and then they have a good idea of latitudes, longitude. ऐसा है कि एक बार गए तो वापस भी आराम से आ सकते हैं. So they started नहीं तो एक बार चले गए और लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड का अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं होगा, कंपास नहीं होगा, तो वहीं पर क्या रहेंगे, एक जगह घूमते रह जाएंगे. भूल भुलैया की तरह हमारा वर्ल्ड है. एंड देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ मैग्नेटिक कंपासेस मेड सेलिंग मोर एक्यूरेट. सो कंपासेस, टेलीस्कोप, सो मेनी थिंग्स कम्स. I said about Portuguese. क्या मैं बोला? I know that Portuguese in the form of Vasco da Gama landed at Calicut. Yes? Landed at Calicut along the Malabar. And 1498, and were receiving warmly by the Hindu ruler Calicut hearing the hereditary the title of Jamorin, were receiving warmly by the Hindu ruler of Calicut, bearing the hereditary title of Jamorin, and profits of goods brought by the Vasco da Gama to Portugal were 60 times costly of what is the entire expedition of India. I said that Calicut bearing the hereditary title of Calicut के जो किंग थे उनका क्या था हेरिडिटरी टाइटल? यस, और यहीं पर आकर फर्स्ट टाइम इफ यू नो दैट पोर्तुगीज आकर जम गए. Understood? Can you remember? And then arrival of Pedro Alvarez Cabral. Pedro Alvarez Cabral in the 1500 AD. 1500 AD after the what? लेकिन जब यहाँ से पोर्तुगीज वास्को डी गामा जो रिटर्न हुए थे उनको कितना बेनिफिट हुआ था? टोटल ट्रैवलिंग कॉस्ट सब कुछ निकालने के बाद 60 टाइम्स प्रॉफिट. And if you can see that 60 times profit means it matters, yes or not? And then उसके बाद just after 2 years who came? I said that Pedro Alvarez Cabral. I said that Pedro Alvarez Cabral. And the second trip of Vasco da Gama in the 1502 led to the establishment of new trading station Calicut, Cochin and Cannanore. And Cochin became the what? Capital. उनके लिए क्या बन गया? Cochin became capital. Cochin became what? Capital. Cochin was the early capital of Portuguese in India. So which are the three major, what is in a trading station that the Portuguese created? Yes, which are the three trading station? Calicut, Calicut के ऊपर Cannanore, and then below there is a Cochin. Understood it? And I said that after Vasco da Gama, along with Vasco da Gama, which Portuguese traveler came? Pedro Alvarez Cabral. Pedro Alvarez Cabral. Can you remember? The Portuguese was maritime empire and acquired the name of Estado da India. What is the company name? I said that Portuguese maritime empire acquired the name of what is the name? Estado da India. Yes, and the initial objective was to seize the spice trade, but after the Cabral's voyage, she decided to divert herself to the trade of the east with Europe. तो पहले था कि they have to what is in simply there is in some kind of what I said that spice trade करना था. अब now the trade ही complete करना है किसके साथ? Eastern के साथ. And who decided? Pedro Alvarez Cabral. After that, it has been decided that we have to what? Yes. And which are the famous? I said that person who traveled to India. Which are the famous person who traveled to India? I said that Francisco de Almeida. And then I said that Alfonso de Albuquerque. कौन सा मैंने वो? Francisco Almeida. And then Alfonso de Albuquerque, Nino da Cunha, and another person I said that Martin Alfonso de Sousa. क्यों? क्या है? मॉडर्न इंडिया है. एक अल्मीरा है, उसमें बुरके वाली है, अल्लाह का नाम ले रही है. एक अल्मीरा है, अल्मीडा, फ्रांसिस्को डी अल्मीडा. एक अल्मीरा है और उसमें हमने क्या बोला? एक अल्लाह का नाम ले रही है. कौन? बुरके वाले. अल्मीडा, अल्बुकर्क के ले रहे निन्नो डा कुन्ना. और वो क्या है? एक्चुअली में नन्स है. क्या है? दे निन्नो डी कुन्ना. और कोने कोने में बैठे हुई हैं अल्मीरा के. उस अल्मीरा में जस्ट इमेजिन करो. क्या मैंने बोला? अल्मीरा क्या है? एक अल्लाह का नाम ले रही है बुरके में, लेकिन वो कैसे हैं? नन सही है और कोने कोने में बैठी हुई हैं अल्मीरा में. दिख गया? छोटे छोटे खिलौने के रूप में. एंड देन आई सेड दैट वो किस चीज की बनी हुई है? माटी की बनी हुई है. किस चीज की बनी हुई है? मार्टिनो अल्फोंसो डी सूजा। और इतनी बनी है कि आई सेड दैट इतनी बनी हुई है कि उस सूज में भी आसाम से आ सकती है, और अल्फांसो आम से भी छोटी है, अल्फोंसो आम से भी छोटी है, मार्टिनो अल्फोंसो डी सूजा। तो फर्स्ट कौन है? अल्मीडा। बस इतना याद रखना है नाम, आप फ्रांसिस्को अल्मीडा ये सब नहीं याद रखना है आपको। व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट आई सेड? मॉडर्न इंडिया में बहुत सारे नाम याद रखने हैं। तो फर्स्ट आई सेड अल्मीडा, सेकेंड वन आई सेड अल्बुकर्क, देयर आफ्टर आई सेड दैट निन्नो दी कुन्हा, एंड देन थर्ड आई सेड, फोर्थ आई सेड माटी से बनी हुई है, अल्फांसो आम से छोटी है, एंड देन सूज में भी आ सकती है, मार्टिना अल्फोंसो डी सूसा। पूरा पिक्चर स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाया, माटी का पिक्चर बना, अल्फांसो आम से कंपेयर किया, हैव यू कंपेयर्ड इट? यस, सूज में दिख रहा है, आराम से सूज में घुस जा रही है। सो विच आर द फेमस? सो फ्रांसिस्को डी, एंड देन अल्फोंसो डी, एंड देन निनो डी कुन्ना, एंड मार्टिनो अल्फोंसो। एंड आपको मैं बता दूं कि आई हैव सेड दैट इन द मेडाइवल वी हैव डन लाइक व्हाट वी हैव डन। यहाँ पे कौन है? अहमदनगर। Here we have, which one I said that? बीजापुर, गोलकोंडा, और यहाँ पर बेरार, एंड here it is बिदार, एंड बिलो कौन सा एम्पायर था? विजयनगर एम्पायर। Understood it? Now I said that the first Portuguese governor कौन है? Who is the first Portuguese governor? Almeida. Who is the first Portuguese governor? Almeida, who defeated the combined alliance of the sultans of Gujarat and then Bijapur, and इस समय के लिए कुछ इजिप्टियंस लोग ट्रेडर्स आए तो उनको भी जोड़ लिया था। तो इजिप्टियंस याद रखे या ना रखे, तो ही हैज कंबाइंड फोर्स गुजरात एंड बीजापुर। कंबाइंड फोर्स गुजरात एंड बीजापुर को किसने डिफीट किया? यस, Almeida. And then in the 1509 in the naval battle near Diu. This is an Daman यहाँ पर है and Diu is over there. Clear? So कहाँ पे defeat किया? Simple है. Almeida has what is ना? Came in India, first governor, and he defeated the combined forces of Gujarat and Bijapur, and then along with some Egyptians at the what is I said that? Clear? कहाँ पर? Diu. Understood? In 1509. Thereafter I am going to say Alfonso de Albuquerque, governor, the second governor in the November 1510. After he captured the rich port of Goa from the Bijapur ruler. यहाँ पे किसका रूल था? Yes. तो बीजापुर रूलर से क्या किया गया? गोवा स्नैच कर लिया, and permanent Portuguese population came into what I said that Goa. गोवा में क्या देख रहे हैं आप? Portuguese has been installed. And then he maintained friendly relations with the Vijayanagar, even Bijapur, and he died at Goa in 1515, and he has given the what is in a Portugal the strongest naval power in India. So simple सी चीज है, who I am talking about? Albuquerque. And Albuquerque हमने क्या किया? What he has done? He snatched Goa from the Bijapur Empire, and he maintained the friendly relations with the Bijapur as well as. एंड बीजापुर किसका पार्ट था? बामनी किंगडम का, याद होगा ना, बामनी किंगडम, अहमदनगर, बीजापुर, बेरार, बिदार एंड गोलकोंडा। अंडरस्टूड? So that is strongest naval power that he has created, but he maintained the friendly relationship with the Vijayanagar as well as बामनी किंगडम, बीजापुर। याद हो गया? पहले दीव देखा, and another point I have said, which point I said? Goa. Thereafter, Ninno de Cunha, the Portuguese governor, another, he transferred his capital Cochin to Goa. इस समय पहले हमारा कैपिटल किसने स्टार्ट किया था? Who has made the capital Cochin? पहले कैलिकट में आया था, कौन आया था? Vasco da Gama, and after that Pedro Alvarez Cabral, and then Cochin become what is the capital, and then Cochin, Calicut, Cannanore, Cochin, Calicut, and now the third governor came and he transferred कौन? निन्नो दी कुन्हा, और गोवा आ गए, जहाँ पे नन्स गोवा में बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे, तो निन्नो दी कुन्हा Goa. What he made? Capital, from Cochin to Goa. Thereafter I said that and acquired Diu and Bashin from the Bahadur Shah of Gujarat. Bahadur Shah of Gujarat से क्या ले लिया इन्होंने? Diu and Bashin. And Bashin क्या है? This is the reason. So Diu and Bashin has been also. So can we say that he is the strongest at naval? Naval region पे जहाँ पे जाता है, he started naval through the navy power that he used to defeat everyone, and thereafter he is able to get the what? Strong hold. I said that the next important then Diu and Bashin, Goa and then Diu and Bashin, and then Treaty of Bashin याद है वो आप लोग को? And the next important governor was Martin Alfonso de Souza. Martin Alfonso de Souza, and along with whom the famous Jesuit Saint Francisco Xavier arrived in India, and then Portuguese Indian Church was organized under his guidance. Or if you remember, I have said that earlier. I said that in the first century AD, maybe there is I said that कौन आया था? Saint Thomas. Who came? Saint Thomas to increase the Christianity in India. And then I said during the period of Parthians, and यहाँ पर हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? Portuguese के साथ who came? Francisco Xavier to organize the what churches and all to increase the what Christianity. So हम लोगों ने चार चीजें देखा. Which are the four names? First Almeida. Almeida में simply बोला हमने कि what he has done. Yes, गुजरात and बीजापुर को उन्होंने defeat कर दिया. Understood? And thereafter he has taken and then it is near the Diu. And thereafter I said that another person was Albuquerque. And Albuquerque ने क्या किया? He has snatched Goa from the Bijapur Empire, and then he tried to maintain relation with this too. And thereafter I talked to you that in the Ninno di Kunna make Goa as his capital from the Cochin, and thereafter he also did fight to the I said that at Diu as well as in Bashin, and then he did fight with this reason, and then also snatched from the Bahadur Shah. And thereafter during the last Alfonso de Souza, I said that who came? Xavier. I said that Francisco Xavier to increase the Christianity. Now the idea हो चुका है Portuguese का. And where these settlements are, the success of the Albuquerque established. Already वो snatch करके बहुत सारा चीज भी किया. किसने snatch किया था? Who has snatched? Albuquerque. And then फिर उसके बाद Mr. I said that Ninno di Kunha that he has made Goa, and then he Bahadur Shah of Gujarat से क्या snatch कर लिया by fighting Daman, Diu and then Bashin. And then हम लोग देखेंगे तो Albuquerque established the settlement. Successors of Albuquerque, Ninno di Kunha and other, कहाँ establish किया इन्होंने settlement? I said that Diu, Daman, Bashin, Salsette, Chaul. ये पूरा region ले लिया. And then Goa also. Then I said St. Thomas Fort in the Madras. St. Thomas Fort in Madras. And then I said that Hooghly. Which are the region that Portuguese has taken? Diu, Daman, Bashin, Salsette. Mumbai is Salsette Island. Mumbai is on the which island? Salsette. And thereafter Goa. Chaul, Goa. And then I said that St. Thomas and then Hooghly. लेकिन उससे पहले उन्होंने अपना रीजन बना रखा था इन्फ्लुएंस कहाँ पे? कोचिन, कैलिकट, कन्नानूर. कोचिन, कैलिकट, and I am talking about the settlement after Albuquerque. Settlement after and then 1534 Portuguese secured permission from the Sultan of Bengal to build factories at Satgaon, that is in the Bengal. And then I said that Chittagong, it is also in the present Bangladesh. Satgaon, it is in the present West Bengal, and Chittagong, it is in the present Bangladesh. तो यहाँ पर भी क्योंकि ये region काफी fertile है, and there is a more productivity, then they started making their own factory also at what? Satgaon and Chittagong. याद रहेगा Chittagong, Satgaon. Is it okay? So traveler, which one I said that? Vasco da Gama. Thereafter, Pedro Alvarez Cabral. Thereafter, first governor. Almeida, second governor. Albuquerque, third governor. Nino da Cunha. And then I said that fourth governor, Martino Alfonso de Sousa. Okay, and thereafter they have been able to cover these other reasons. Completely okay in your mind? And Almeida ने क्या किया था? What he has done? Bijapur and then Gujarat. Understood? Thereafter Albuquerque ने क्या किया? Snatched Goa from Bijapur but maintained the friendly relations. And then Mr. Nino da Cunha, Cochin to Goa, and then also Bahadur Shah of Gujarat se fight करके Diu and Bashin. Understood? And then I said Francisco Xavier came during whom? Martino Alfonso de Sousa. And then they have been able to create several other, I said that, factories. And then लास्ट तक हम लोग आते आते क्या देख रहे हैं? सतगांव, चितगांव एंड सेवरल फैक्ट्रीज. और 1598 आते आते यू नो दैट 1598 और उससे पहले ही आई सेड द डच कैम्प, बट 1590s और 95 में हु कैम अराउंड द डच कैम्प, दैट इज यू कैन से दैट हॉलैंड. एंड देन दिस कंट्रीज पीपल